They called him the godfather of soul. A name shouted from the stages, echoed from the stadiums, stamped on the very rhythm of American music. But if all you see is
sequins flashing and funky screams and lights and fashion, if all you hear is that raspy sound, then brother, you don't know James Brown. He wasn't just a music man. He built it all with calloused hands. From nothing but a voice and fight, he turned the dark into the light. But he was born with nothing but a name. Still he rose and played the game, gave it all, sweat, sound, and soul. Put his heart in every role. Wanna know the truth, not just the crown? Then walk with me through Austin town. From Carolina's red clay dust to stadium shows and global trust. He was a founder, he was a flame, a force of soul, not just a name. And when you hear that beat drop down, you're hearing the ghost of James Brown. Now that you know what made the man, you'll hear that name and understand.
Before the world screamed his name, before the capes, the concert, and the chaos, there was just a boy. A barefoot kid named James Joseph Brown, sleeping in brothels, dancing for change, too poor to run, too proud to stop. Raised by the South, forged by poverty, sharpened by segregation, baptized in gospel, grit, and grind. To understand the man, you've got to meet the boy. In the next few minutes, you'll hear how a barefoot kid from Augusta turned parade beats into a musical revolution, and why his story still matters today. Here's the road we'll walk together. 6 chapters make this story of the man.